It's launch day in Karachi, and there's only one thing on every kid's mind: the brand new Shaheen Pro cricket bat. The shop is buzzing, the posters in the window, and the excitement is electric. Everybody wants one.
But when Zaydan and Muraffa rush inside, the shelves are completely empty. A crooked sold-out sign hangs where the bats should be. Sold out already? Zaydan gasps. The delivery truck just arrived. Something doesn't add up. And here's why. Just outside, in a dark alley, a smug older teenager is leaning on a mountain of those same bats. He bought every last one. Shop price was $5,000. He smirks. My price is $15,000. I bought them all. He didn't make anything. He just blocked everyone else. And from the shadows behind him rises the villain of this story, Ajgar, the python. His scales look like locked metal crates, and he's coiled tight around all those bats, squeezing the supply, choking the market until people are desperate enough to overpay. Ajgar hisses right into Zaydan's ear. Squeeze them! Pay the python now, or tomorrow the price goes up. And you can see it working. Zaydan's panicking, sweating, reaching for his money. That feeling has a name today. We call it FOMO, the fear of missing out. But there is another way. By refusing to participate in these inflated prices, the cycle can be broken. Fairness must be the foundation of any healthy market. Once again, crack! Bibi Jaan slams her stick to the ground, and a shockwave pushes the python back. A forced price is a poisoned price, Zaydan, she warns. Don't feed the snake. And she takes them back again, this time to the open marketplaces of Medina, where goods flowed freely like a river. She reminds them of the great leader Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, who forbade Ihtikar, hoarding the people's needs just to choke the market and drive up prices. This was taken so seriously that later scholars like Yahya ibn Umar wrote entire books on market justice, and inspectors called muhtasibs walked the bazaars to break up every hoard. As the lesson lands, it starts with toys and bats, but the same trick, used on food and medicine, is how the powerful starve the poor. Open the stores. Let the market breathe. When someone obstructs the flow of goods to force a price increase, the solution is simple. Do not pay them. Walk around the barrier and find a fair market elsewhere. Bibi Jaan gently turns Zaydan away from the hoarder and gives him the rule to live by. When someone dams the river just to make you thirsty, you do not pay them. You walk around. So that's exactly what they do. Muraffa pulls out her phone and finds another shop across town, selling at the fair price. And she's not just walking away, she's bringing everyone with her. I'm telling everyone, she says. If no one buys his, the hoard is worthless. That's how you beat a hoarder, together. And just like that, the mighty python Ajgar shrinks into a tiny, harmless little worm. Meanwhile, the hoarder is stuck, surrounded by bats nobody will buy. Zaydan sums it up. No FOMO here. Hoard all you want. Nobody's paying your poison price. Greed defeated itself. And that's episode 3 of Rizq Rangers. 3 final lessons. 1. Say no to Ihtikar. Hoarding the people's needs is forbidden. 2. Beat the FOMO. Fear is the hoarder's only weapon. And 3. A fair market flows. Don't feed extortion. Find the fair price. And the Volume 1 finale is coming, where the Rangers face all 3 traps at once.